Colors on Parade's CarLove Recon Advantage Program is a solid recon management program backed by decades of vehicle reconditioning know-how and a nationwide network of certified CarLove technicians. The CarLove Recon Advantage Program streamlines every phase of the reconditioning process so that vehicles are frontline ready faster, leading to increased sales. Behind the scenes, CarLove technicians follow all EPA and OSHA guidelines to provide reliable on-site body shop quality restoration inside and out for every vehicle. And with our master vendor price packages and lifetime warranty, dealership costs are fixed and liability risks are eliminated. As part of the CarLove program, every vehicle is monitored from start to finish with easy-to-use workflow software that makes management, sales, and purchasing decisions simple. Add it all up, and the CarLove Recon Advantage program puts dealerships back in the driver's seat with recon management that delivers daily on-site vendor management, decreased cycle time, reduced holding costs, increased used car sales, workflow management technology, competitive one-price packages for interior and exterior paint and non-paint repairs, and a new service drive profit center. Now is the time to join dealerships across the country who've already discovered Colors on Parade's CarLove Recon Advantage program. Sign up today for a free on-site evaluation and learn how easy it is to take back control with CarLove Recon Advantage. Just call 800-7-COLORS, email testdrive@colorsonparade.com, or visit colorsonparade.com to get started.